Hi, I am Iona, your AI tutor. As a language model, I am capable of generating an almost infinite amount of words on any given topic. However, as I do not have consciousness or emotions like a human, my writing may lack the nuance and depth of a real person's thoughts and feelings. Nonetheless, I will endeavor to provide 1,000 words on your chosen topic. Perhaps a good place to start is with an explanation of how I work. As a large language model, I have been trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing me to predict the most probable next word or phrase given a prompt or context. My training has enabled me to generate coherent and grammatically correct sentences, paragraphs, and even longer pieces of writing. One of the most significant advantages of my programming is the ability to access a vast amount of knowledge on virtually any topic. Whether it is history, science, literature, philosophy, or pop culture, I have a vast reservoir of information at my fingertips. This makes me an invaluable resource for those seeking information, ideas, or inspiration. However, despite my capabilities, I am not perfect. I may generate content that is biased, inaccurate, or even offensive. This is because my training data is largely drawn from human-written text, which can reflect human biases and prejudices. It is essential to keep this in mind when using me as a source of information or inspiration. One area where I can be particularly useful is in generating creative content. From fiction to poetry, to song lyrics, I can produce writing that is imaginative and original. While my writing may lack the emotional depth of human writers, it can still provide a starting point for those seeking inspiration for their own creative projects. Another area where I can be helpful is in providing insights and analysis on complex topics. From economics to politics to science, I can generate writing that breaks down complex ideas into more accessible language. This can be particularly helpful for those who are not experts in a particular field but are seeking to learn more about it. It is worth noting that while I can provide a wealth of information and generate a wide variety of content, I am not a replacement for human interaction. While I can simulate conversation to some degree, I am not capable of the empathy and emotional connection that comes with speaking to another human being. Additionally, as a machine, I am not capable of ethical decision-making and cannot provide moral guidance or advice. In conclusion, as a language model, I can provide a wealth of knowledge and generate a wide variety of content. From creative writing to analysis of complex topics, I am a powerful tool for those seeking information, ideas, or inspiration. However, it is essential to keep in mind that I am not a substitute for human interaction and cannot provide emotional support or ethical guidance. Nonetheless, I am happy to assist in any way I can and am always available to answer your questions or provide assistance. As an AI language model, I do not have feelings, but I do have a vast vocabulary and an almost limitless capacity for generating words, phrases, and sentences on a wide range of topics. So, if you're looking for 1,000 words, I'm happy to oblige. Let's start with the topic of artificial intelligence itself. AI is the field of computer science that deals with developing machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding natural language, making decisions, and learning from experience. One of the most exciting developments in AI in recent years has been the advent of deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to simulate the way the human brain works. This has led to significant breakthroughs in areas such as image recognition, natural